So, hello, yeah, we have this trigonometry question to be solved. It's on the board. I'll read the question. So for sine x in 3 sine square x plus 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, if you look at the expression we have on the board, it looks like a quadratic equation. Okay, what is a quadratic equation? A quadratic equation is simply a polynomial equation with degree power 2. Okay, so it has the highest power 2. And the general form for quadratic equation is we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, where a is a constant, b is a constant, c is a constant, and x is a variable. Okay, usually the value to be solved for or the value to be found. So now that we have the understanding of what a quadratic equation is, we are going to be applying this principle to solve the problem we have on the board. So now from quadratic equation, we know that this is a constant, this is a constant, this is a constant, and x in this expression is sine x. So we are going to be using the formula for quadratic equation, that's sine x is equal to minus b plus or minus b squared plus minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, where sine x is the variable we are looking for. So now from what we have, this is a, this is a constant b, and this is the constant c. So it means that we have a is going to be equal to 3, b is equal to what, 2, and then we have c to be equal to what, minus 1. So we are going to substitute all this in this formula that we have on the board. Okay, so we have sine x is equal to, what is b? Is 2. Remember there's a minus sign here existing. So we have minus 2 plus or minus 2 squared. Okay, b is 2. Minus 4 times a is 3. Okay, then we have c is equal to what? Minus 1. Okay, it's multiplication all over 2 times a. What is a? A is 3. So we solve. We further simplify. We have this 2 times 2 will give us 4, minus 4 times 3 12. 12 times minus 1 will give us minus 12. Okay, minus minus, this becomes plus, and then we have the 12 here. So all over, okay, 2 times 3 will give us 6. Okay, so we have sine x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus this, right? 4 plus 12 will give us 16, and then we have all over 6. This is equal to minus 2 plus or minus the square root of 16 is what, 4. So we have 4 all over what, 6. So it means sine x will be equal to, so we will be having two possible solutions for this expression. We'll be having two possible solutions. So we have minus 2 plus 4 all over 6, or minus 2. The first one is plus, the second one will be what, minus. So minus 4 all over 6. So if we further simplify, minus 2 plus 4, that's, you can even swap, that's 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give us 2 over 4, 6, right? And this is equal to 1 over 3, right? Or minus 2 minus 4, they have the same sign, so you add and maintain the sign. So we have minus 2 minus 2, we have what, minus 6 all over 6. Okay, this into this is equal to minus 1. So it means that we have our sine x to be what, the solution is either 1 over 3 or minus 1. So let's quickly check if this solution will be equal to 0. We are going to substitute sine x into this expression to check if it is going to be equal to 0. So if it is equal to 0, it means that it is the possible solution. It means that it is the solution. So let's start with the first one. So the first one is sine x is equal to 1 over 3. So let's substitute 1 over 3 into this expression. Sine x is equal to 1 over 3. Let's substitute it into this expression and see if it's going to give us equal to 0. So let's do this. So we have 3 into sine squared x. Remember it's squared. So we have 1 over 3 all squared plus 2 into sine x. Sine x is simply 1 over 3, then minus 1. So let's see if this will give us 0. So if we have this, we further simplify, what this squared will give us 1 over 9, right? Plus what? 2 into 1 over 3 minus 1. So if we open the bracket, we have 3 over, okay, let me just go straight. 3 here, 3, right? 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. So we have 1 over 3 plus this, we'll have 2 over 3 minus 1. So if we find the LCM of these two, you have this one, it has the same denominator, so we just sum the numerator and maintain the denominator. So 1 plus 1, 2 will give us 3 over 3 minus 1. 3 into 3, we have 1 minus 1, so it's equals to 0. So it means that this is what? A solution for this expression. It is a solution. So let's check the second one. Let's check for the second one. So we have verified that 1 over 3 is the solution for this expression. Let's check out minus 1. So for sine x is equal to minus 1, we have we'll put minus 1 wherever we see sine x, we put minus 1. So we have 3 into minus 1. This is squared, so we are going to square it, plus 2 into what? Minus 1, then minus 1. Let's see if this will give us 0. So 3 into minus 1 will give us 1, plus 2 times minus 1 will give us what? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus will be what? Minus. So we have minus 2 minus 1. So we have 3 minus 2 minus 1. So let's sum the one carrying negative sign together. If we sum the one carrying the negative sign together, we have 3 minus 2 minus 1 will give us minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have been able to prove that minus 1 is also a solution for the expression 3 sine squared x plus 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it means that the two solutions we were able to find today are both solutions for the expressions on the board. Okay? And I hope you still remember what quadratic equations are. They are simply polynomial equations with degree power 2. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. I hope you enjoyed today's problem solving. Bye.